Let's talk one-on-one about things I've learned so far by traveling. TLDR, start seeing the world and stop being lazy. What's up guys, if we haven't met before, my name is Johann, and on this channel you'll find some helpful product reviews to improve your self-care, as well as one-on-one topics just like this one. So if you're new here, consider subscribing and hit that notification bell before I start doing some push-ups in some random ass spots. Every time I go to a place that I've never been, or maybe at the same place but just a different location, if that makes sense, I get a sense of adventure, like not knowing what would happen next. The decisions that you make can change and alter your own adventure, so you could probably learn something in the you might end up learning a few things. When you start to travel, you tend to be more open-minded. I feel like I need to sit down here. Oh shit. You see like how people live their lives and it might be different to yours, but you get to see like how different people in different countries think differently. If that makes sense. Again, you get to understand their way of thinking. Oh hell no. And I was gonna film over there? It's pretty cool when you have a friend from a different country and then you get to see that person again when you visit. In all seriousness though, like I feel very humble when I take in my surroundings. Like I chose this spot to film for a particular reason. Earlier this morning, I sat down right over there and I just kind of like soak in everything and just be grateful and very like, you know, appreciative about what I had. When you get back to your hometown or to your home city, you know, you just kind of see things from a different point of view. In order for you to actually get to that point, you got to be open-minded. Like it goes right back to being open-minded. You know what's really cool? The fact that when you learn their dialect. I don't know if anyone else on YouTube said this before, but if you can learn their dialect or like some words or even like some of their slang terms, watch their face when you do it. It's the best feeling ever. It's kind of like the same thing with food. They'd be like, oh, what you know about XYZ, or like how you know about this word or whatever. They'll be very surprised that you know they're part of their culture. And they're most likely to be like, hey, this person's pretty cool. I don't know how they figured this out, but they know what they're talking about, at least to some extent. Even if you don't know, you can be like, hey, like what's like a slang term, or like, you know, what's like, you know, how to say XYZ. They will definitely show you. They will definitely tell you. People are very friendly in the world. Like I know a lot of people like say like, you know, everyone's very toxic. But when you start traveling and stuff, like people will love to show their culture to you. And they feel very humble about it as well. So definitely soak up that opportunity whenever you get a chance to. I mean, of course, have precautions. I'm not gonna be like, hey, you know, talk to a random stranger and like, you know, he kidnap your ass. But you know what I'm trying to say. At the end of the day, we're all humans. The way how we look outside doesn't determine how we look inside. When you think about it, what they say is very true. It's the #1 universal language that you can use that can convey happiness, warmth, and kindness. And that's smiling. If there's one thing I've learned by traveling, it's to smile. Smile often. Now, if you excuse me, I'm about to go back in my hole. Well, not hole, but in my corner over there and like just count my blessings. Matanet.